name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So as you can see, my hair is looking a little crazy right now, but that's gonna change because what I'm gonna do in this video is do a hairstyle that's gonna be so simple and so cute. And I'm gonna be doing the goddess braid, jumbo goddess braid in my hair. This is my first attempt doing this hairstyle. Like I said, every time I try something new, I always share it with you guys. So what I'm going to be doing is basically adding a little cute little things in my hair, and you'll see that after I get started. But I'm going to be using this pack of hair, a little bit of color in there. And then for the little goddess look, like the little wavy look, I'm going to be using this type of hair, the free tresses braid, and I'm going to be adding that in together. I looked at a couple of videos, so hopefully I know what I'm doing. Yeah, so let's get started. Hopefully this hairstyle comes out how I want it, because I have a little image in my head. Yeah, so stay tuned. As you guys may know, this style is a very simple look, so I wanted to add a little bit more to this style. And what I mean by that is I wanted this style to pop out more, because usually this style is just worn with your hair brushed all the way back with a braided ponytail, but I wanted this style to be a little bit past simple and more cute. So I'm going to add some rubber bands to this section of my hair and to create a little design. Like I said, I wanted this style to pop up more and to create a cuter look. So as you can see here, I'm starting off with this section of my hair first, and then I'm going to take these two pieces of my hair that I have rubber band in the front and just overlap them, creating like a crisscross look. So each piece of hair will overlap, if that makes sense. So as you can see here, I'm taking the piece of hair that I already have rubber band and adding that to the second piece of hair and combining the two pieces together with another rubber band. So basically, I'm going to be creating that crisscross look like I mentioned earlier. And what I'm going to do is with the rubber band, make sure that it's tight enough, but not too tight, just tight enough so that the hair won't come loose and so it won't create that little frizzy look. And basically, I will be doing this to the rest of this section of my hair. Like I said, I want a more of a cuter look than simple. So since I do have thick curly hair, what I'm going to do is kind of twist my hair a little bit and wrap it around a few times and kind of pin it down with a bobby pin, so that when I do put the braided ponytail on, it won't be so thick and humpy at the top, if that makes sense. Didn't notice, there's a little rubber band that's attached to the hair, so all I'm doing is just placing that around my bun like a ponytail holder. And so that now that the ponytail is on, I'm going to braid it down, and I'm not going to braid too tight because I want the hair to be loose enough so when it's time to wrap the hair around my little bun at the top, it won't be so tight and I can kind of adjust it like I want to. And you will see exactly what I'm talking about when I'm done. Plus, I'm going to have to re-braid the hair once it's secured, so I can just basically have it on the opposite side of my head. Now that the hair is secured at the top and also on the side that I want it to be on, as you can see here, I'm just going to start braiding it down. And like I said earlier, I'm not going to braid too tight and I'm not going to braid too loose as well. Just kind of
tight enough so that the braid can stay secure, and then loose enough so that I can also create that little jumbo look that I'm going for. And as you can see here, I'm keeping a little hair out so that I can also have that little goddess look that I'm going for. It's not so much of the goddess look, and it's not so big like I thought it was going to be, but it's okay. This style is still kind of coming out cute like I wanted to. So like I've been saying throughout this whole video, I do want this style to pop up more. And so I did get some jewel beads from the beauty supply store just to add in a little bit more style to this look. But I'm almost done. How do you think this style is coming out? I think it's a little cute. I don't know. Okay guys, so this is the final results of my hairstyle. As you can see, I have the little jumbo braid here like I said I was gonna do. I mean, it's not my favorite hairstyle, but at least I can say that I tried something new on my hair. So, like I said, these are the results. I'm just kidding, but I do thank you guys for watching. If you do like how this hairstyle came out, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.